Hello guys, so I thought I'd do this really quick video for you. So this, I don't know if you can see very well on the camera here, but this is a small unit door, and this is for my van, a unit in my van. So the reason I made this video was because this works really well on kitchen unit doors and such, like small doors. So this is actually constructed with stub tenants. I don't know if you can see that. You'll see it in the video as you watch. But basically, a stub tenant only goes to here. It actually just fits into the groove, whereas a mortise and tenon joint will go most likely to here, or even all the way through sometimes. So don't get us wrong, this is nowhere near as strong as a mortise and tenon joint, but for little doors like this and kitchen doors, it's perfectly fine. So I thought I'd do the video. So if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, subscribe please, it really helps us out if you can subscribe. Check out my podcasts, my Instagram, my Facebook. I'll leave links in the description, and this is how I've done it.
Okay, so these are just some offcuts of spruce I had lying around of previous projects, and I'm just clamping it into place. I'm just using a Veritas Wonder Dog, and I just start creating a groove. This is just a combination plane, and I just like to get the initial groove in, and once the initial groove's in, I can pick up a little bit of speed and start at one end and make my way back to the other end. This is a pretty quick process, and these doors pretty much build themselves. They're really quick to build. Yeah, I'm just cutting the two styles to size. These are going to be the initial heights of this door. This is only a small cabinet door for my van, so these are going to be pretty small. And I'm just using my marking knife to make a line all the way around the piece, ready for it to be cut. Now I just create a little valley to accept my saw, and then I saw them both to size. Now I'm just getting the exact measurement of the groove, and this is going to be so I know the correct size of the two rails, the top and bottom rail, and I can add the extra, which is going to be for my stub tenons. So I measure out, and in this particular case these are 10mm. Okay, so now I've got the two styles together, and I'm putting one of the rails against the two styles, and as all this does, this gives us the total length, so I can measure out and get the measurements right. So when you're doing this, don't forget to add for the stub tenons. So in my case, I get the measurement I want, plus I add an extra 20mm. Now that's 10mm each for each stub tenant. Now I just cut the two rails to size. And now I'm just creating an eyeful all the way around the edges, and this is to form the shoulders for the stub tenons, and these in my particular case are set at 10mm. And then when that's done, same again, I create a knife valley with a chisel, and then I can cut these. Yeah, I'm just using a marking gauge to mark out for the stub tenons. Now when I set this up, I set it just so it's slightly wider than the groove, and then that means I can pare my tenons down so they're a nice tight fit. And it's totally the same again. I just use a chisel, make a knife valley, and then I'm ready to cut the shoulders for the stub tenons. This isn't a very good angle, but I am actually paring down to the shoulders with my chisel, just removing a little bit of material at a time until I get down to my line. And I just start paring down a little bit by little bits, and I just present the stub tenon to the groove and make sure it's not too tight, but also it's not too slack. I don't want it to be a nice snug fit. As soon as all the tenons are cut, I just put everything together and make sure everything's fitting together as it should do. Once I'm happy with the fit, I start creating a chamfer. This is only on the insides and on the shoulder portion. I'm not going to actually touch the outside because this door is actually oversized, and when it comes time to fit, I am going to have to plane some off the top, bottom and off both sides. So after I've fitted the door, then I'll add the chamfers to the outside. Before glue up, I just give all the rails and the two styles just a very shallow pass with a plane, just to clean up any pencil marks and whatever else. So here I'm just cutting up some tongue and groove panelling, cutting it to size. This is 8mm thick, and this was again just some leftover from the van conversion, and this is actually going to create the panel for the door. So here I'm just fitting everything together. This is the last dry fits before I glue up, and this is just to make sure I'm happy with everything. Everything's fitting as it should, and it is. So after this dry fits, I'll be ready to glue up. So now I'm ready to glue up. I'm pretty generous with the glue on these little short stub tenons, just to be on the safe side. I get everything into place and then I'm ready for clamps. So after the glue is dried, I'm just ready to flush everything up with my plane. So here I'm just removing the very top corner, and this just allows us to take my plane all the way through, and I don't have any split outs at the other side. Or if you didn't want to do this, you could actually clamp a piece of sacrificial wood onto the end, and that would do the same thing. Once I'm happy everything is flush and everything fits, I just start putting the chamfer on the outside. And there we have it, a nice quick easy cabinet door, all made with hand tools, great for kitchen doors. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, guys.